Have you ever thought you might end up alone in old age? As we navigate life, we're constantly bombarded with questions. How many points did you get? Which school? Where are you working? Is your salary stable? How's your love life? When will you get married? Still no baby. Society sets unbelievably tough, unreasonable standards, boxing us into milestones. 18, university. 23, job. 30, settled family. We all anticipate these questions, yet each time we're at a loss. Ultimately, they all point toward stability, but what is true stability? Have you ever felt impatient from others' prodding, then just haphazardly picked something to get it over with? Have you ever felt suffocated by these so-called societal standards, then just randomly chose a university, a job, a partner, and ultimately, a whole life for yourself? Beyond FOMO, the fear of missing out, there's FOBLO, the fear of being left out. We're afraid of not having what others in our group have. When friends start to marry and build families, we often feel left behind. Parents worry, they urge, but for young, independent people like us, that urging often breeds a rebellious mindset. Many avoid going home, fearing family interrogations, feeling like a thorn in their side for not conforming. At first, you resist, confident you're fine. But gradually, those bitter reminders start fueling your own FOBLO. It's hard to genuinely claim you don't fear being out of place. Most of us easily get caught up in it. We fear not having what others have, not experiencing what others do. Social media only amplifies this, distorting our perception of edited lives. To be honest, when you see friends enjoying peaceful married lives, you feel a pang of envy. Each wedding invitation brings another sigh. Many nights, you torment yourself, wondering why you haven't found someone. Do you feel anxious? Yes, but would you pick someone haphazardly because of that? Of course not. Life stability doesn't necessarily mean marriage, family, children, and old age. A grand wedding doesn't guarantee happiness. Fairy tales end with happily ever after. But what truly happens ever after? Who knows? Marriage isn't the perfect culmination, it's a new beginning. Perhaps a happy beginning. Saying this isn't to make you lose faith in marriage. It's simply my wish that you don't rush, don't hastily compromise. Everyone has their own developmental time zone. Everything begins at the right moment, whether you're 20 or 40. Marrying or not marrying isn't a sin. Prioritize your own self-development. Use your single days to study, read, achieve financial independence, travel. You will find a kindred spirit. A good marriage has never been afraid of being late, only afraid of not seizing the right moment. Not every married life is happy, and not every single life is dull. Marriage isn't a race, it's just one choice. So now, do you still think you'll be lonely in old age?